Pass to jersey number 2. Time out. Robert Tegna. Pass. Jersey number 5 down. D1 balls pass. Double. Pass number 13. Nice give and go. Ang drop defense naman. Ang pinapakita ng Barako Bulls. Yan. Nasubukan niyo yung Ililipat! Number 18 to first number 13. Kaya na shot clock. Para sa 3. Long to lang. Long to. Touchdown! Number 9, Mr. Randall, tutigado sa press. Put back to jersey number 9, Mr. Malik. Number 6, Mr. Malik. To Randall, stop and pop. Basket down. 5 floater is not good enough by Mr. Allen. To big man. Time out.